Alright, YouTube, this is the Peony Playoff Contenders 2010 box break. These are all the people that are in the break. It is March 29th, 8:26 p.m. Alright, let's do this. That's what we're looking for, the golden ticket. Alright, first pack. We have Eli Manning, Benjamin Watson. We have an autograph rookie ticket, Derek Morgan, Tennessee Titans. And then we got a Michael Crabtree, San Francisco 49ers card. We have a Indianapolis Colts Peyton Manning card. Alright, we have a Matt Castle, Kansas City Chiefs card. We have a Rodney White, Atlanta Falcons card. We have a Legendary Contenders, Barry Sanders, Detroit Lions. And then we have a Steve Breston, Arizona Cardinals card. We have a Drew Brees, New Orleans Saints card. Alright, we got a Brandon Pettigrew, Detroit Lions card. We have a Mark Clayton, St. Louis Rams card. And then an Eli Manning, Super Bowl tickets card. And then we have Mike Williams, Seattle Seahawks card. We have a Maurice Jones-Drew, Jacksonville Jaguars card. Alright, we got two more packs here. Sorry, I can't get these. Alright, we got a Adrian Peterson, Minnesota Vikings card, a Ben Roethlisberger card, a Joe Namath, Legendaries Contenders card, and then we have a Deshaun Jackson, Philadelphia Eagles card, and then a Keshawn Monroe, Denver Broncos card. Sorry about the names. And then last pack here. Hopefully there's a golden ticket. We have a Troy Polamalu, Pittsburgh Steelers card. A Donald Driver, Green Bay Packers card. And then we have a Ryan Matthews, Rookie of the Year Contenders card. And then we have a Chris Cooley, Washington Redskins card. And then a Danny Woodhead, New England Patriots card. And then that's all the cards. And I will ship those out to you as soon as I can, first thing tomorrow. Thanks, everybody.